In this video, we're going to show you how you can, using materials available at home, prepare the equivalent of what sandbagging would do to prevent water from coming into your home through sliding doors or opening doors that are very near to the ground, such as patios. You will need towels, some gaffer tape, some Glad wrap, and water and garbage bags. Here the garbage bags are taped on your door halfway up, so it lays down onto the pavers or the decking. You then roll up your towels or your blankets quite stiffly. You moisten them with a fair bit of water to make them sort of heavy, and then you use your Glad wrap and roll 3 or 4 layers of the Glad wrap around the moistened, rolled up towels. They can be up to about 30 centimetres wide, and here we're showing one of them in place. You just stomp it down with your foot in place and you continue on and add more.